we come with a new interview question which asked by my friend in one interview, and he have a, like a 4 year more than a 4 year experience in a Java developer. And the question is, write a Java program to calculate the sum of digits of a given number, and the number is 1 2 3 4 5, and output should be a 15. So interviewer asked like provide the solution in a Java 8 style, not in a traditional way. So first we discuss about what is the traditional way for achieving the result, and after this we try to implement a Java 8 style. Okay, so let's create one class here for the same. Uh, Sum of all digits of number. Okay, and we create one main method with the help of id. It's created by itself. They provide the support. Okay, and we choose like we have a number as per example 4 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so go with a traditional way in which we need to use some variables where we store the datas. Okay, in which we are going with a while, and the number which is num should not be equal to 0. Okay, and inside the while loop we are using like int digit equal to num, and the modulus division by 10. Okay, and the sum plus equal to digit. Okay, and the num divided equal to 10, and we check the output here. Okay, and the num, oh, sorry, old. Okay, and the so sum. Okay, let's run this Java program, Java application. Okay, the output is a 15. It is the old way which used by most of the developers. Okay, now we go with the Java 8 style. Okay, Java 8 style. So we need to convert in a string first, num, and we use one char method we have in a, which return the into string. After this, we need to use map. Okay, in the side the map we need to use character class, and with the help of method reference we call the numeric value method, and after this we use the sum. Okay. This is the Java 8 style one-liner solution, and this is the traditional way which we used previously before the like map or chars methods which we provided in a Java 8. Okay, and let's check the output of the both solution. Both are 15. A interviewer want answer in this style, and my friends knows answer in this style. Okay, so if you have like preparing for an interview, if you are preparing for an interview, please check with this solution as well. Okay, most of the programmer told that they work on a Java 8, so interviewer expect like this solution. Okay, if you really find the helpful of this video, feel free to like comment about again other questions, or if you want to like, so please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.